let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now. Got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now this video is sponsored by Curlsqueen Hair, and they sent me these beautiful clip-ins. I think the texture is Jerry Curl, if I'm not mistaken, and it is in 22 inches. I did go ahead and I pre-washed it, conditioned it, and like detangled it, which it wasn't really tangled to be honest, but I did pre-condition the hair just so we could see like the true length of the hair. And this is where it catches me, literally on the top of my wrist. I think that's it. Yeah. I don't know how many packs of bundles they sent. I think they do it by grams. I think it is by grams. Okay, so it's 100% high grade Brazilian virgin human hair. It is 10 pieces set, so the wefts are doubled and they're doubled down. They're true to length and they're thick. They're very thick. It's not even a lie, like they're actually thick. So I think they sent 10 pieces of the clip-ins. So like the actual weft, they sent 10 pieces of those, and they're broken down into smaller pieces. So you have the longer ones and then you have some short ones, so you can actually fit it to your liking, and you can actually fit your entire head. But before we jump into the installation of the hair and how I got this look, I'm just going to show you guys what they sent to me inside the package. So this is their packaging. This is what the box looks like, and they sent me their little thank you card. They sent me their hair care. Ooh, not my name printed. Not my government name printed. But they sent me their information card as well. I didn't realize that my name was on this. And you have like a return form on it, or a return or refund, whichever. You have all of that on it. They have their contact information, reasons to love their hair, and all of that. They also sent me this little pouch. They sent me this little brush, which obviously is used to brush your hair and help to detangle the hair. This brush is actually good for curly hair. They're actually, the bristles that's on them is very good when you want to detangle your hair if your hair is curly. They sent me some replacements for the clips that's on the bundles, so if any one of them falls off, then I can always replace it. And then they sent me bonnet to put on, and it has a little drawstring on it so you can fit it properly to your head. Also, I don't remember if I told you guys what texture it is, because my hair is I think my hair is a 4A3C. I keep on forgetting the texture of my hair, but I'm just going to tell you guys what the texture of this is. So I think this is a 3C4A, which is similar to my hair texture. So I think my hair texture is 3C4A. So it's 3C4A Jerry Curly clip-ins, and it is 10 pieces in the sets. Yeah. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I end up getting this look, then definitely keep on watching. So I started out by pre-washing and like conditioning the hair. I used some regular curling shampoo and conditioner that I have, and I did this just so I could, one, detangle the hair. It wasn't tangled, but yeah, it helped to detangle the hair and actually define the curls a little bit more, and to also show the true length of the hair, because it's not kinky curly, but it's close to kinky curly, and you guys know how it is with kinky hair. Like the true length does not show, especially when it's dried. So I went ahead and I pre-washed it, detangled it, pre-conditioned it, all of that, just so the hair could be defined and so you guys could see the true length of you know, the hair. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Once again, I'd love to thank Curlsqueen Hair for sponsoring this video. The links to the hair will be down in the description box. If you guys love to purchase it, definitely check down below. I don't know if I have a coupon code, but if I do, I will definitely put it down below as well. But again, this is the end, and I would like to see you guys in my next one.
This is my regular, I'm talking